So we're just going to go and have a very quick look at how we do another calculation involving moles. Right, so we're starting off with a bag of fertilizer containing 25.5 kilograms of ammonium nitrate. Right, so it's given us the relative formula for it. Has a relative formula mass of 80. Right, calculate the number of moles, right, so we want the number of moles there, of ammonium nitrate in the bag of fertilizer. Give your answer in standard form to two significant figures. Right, so to start off with, we need to remember our equation for moles. So moles equals mass over molar mass. Remember, we need to remember that as it's not given us in the exam. So we start off by looking at how much 1 mole of ammonium nitrate weighs. Then we need to go and work out what the mass of that is in grams. Then we're going to go and use our equation to go and calculate the number of moles. So to start off with, we know from our question there that the number of moles of ammonium nitrate, or the 1 mole weighs 80. So we then need to go and work out how many grams we've got. So we've got up here 25.5 kilograms. So we convert that into grams by timesing it by 1,000. And then finally, we're going to use our equation to go and work out the number of moles. So we're going to go with that 25,500 that we worked out there, the 80 that we've got from there, which gives us 318.75 moles. If you follow this simple way to go and work it out, you should get it right every time.